di kiri kanan, senang mereka melihat kita senang. Biar di sela nafasmu tenang terus jadi satu. Biar di telapak kakimu halus dan kuat melaju. Biar di peluk ibumu kekal wangi tanpa rindu. Biar di bawah kasurmu mimpimu siap terbangun. Biar di dalam hatimu harum selalu namaku. Biar saat air surut bahagiamu terbalur. Biar saat aku jauh semua baikku terpupuk. Biar saat aku jauh semua baikku terpupuk. Oh, biar saat aku jauh semua baikku terpupuk. Oh, biar saat aku jauh semua baikku terpupuk.
Hey there, buddies. Welcome back to another episode of Buddy Talk. And we're still with me, Paul Polelli. As you guys can see, I have a very special guest with me for today's episode. She is none other than the queen of Gen Z herself, Nadine Amiza. And today, we're going to talk all about her latest album, Untuk Dunia, Cinta, dan Kotornya. Stay tuned only on Buddy Talk. Hi, everyone. So we're sitting here with Nadine. Hi, welcome.
Hi.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you very much for inviting me here.
Congratulations on your new album. So the album's entitled Untuk Dunia, Cinta, dan Kotornya. It's a very unique name. Can you tell us a little bit about the album and
It's
the
a lengthy
title?
name, yeah?
Yeah, it's unique. It's interesting.
It's my second album.
Okay.
That's the first thing. And then in my first album, I was talking about my time growing up. And then in this album, I'm talking about my journey on finding love and finding, I guess, my way to self-love.
Okay.
It's a process.
So when you talk about dan kotornya, that's like all the nitty-gritty stuff in
Yes,
between. Is
yes,
that what you mean?
yes.
Okay. So you have an interesting aspect of this album. You mentioned self-love. But the concept is that perhaps we need to be loved by others before we can love ourselves.
Yeah.
This is like a bit counterintuitive to what we're always hearing. We're always
Yeah,
hearing,
exactly.
love yourself before you love others. So
Yeah.
tell us about that perspective.
I think it's a little bit different. I think like self-love is like journey to each of their own.
Okay.
And I feel like in my case, I feel like I need to be loved by someone else first to be taught how it is that I can be deserving of love. And that's how I see in the mirror and see someone that's deserving of love. Yeah, I think
Okay.
that's the process that I went through. And
I like that take because I think if all we're doing is looking inwards, then we're kind of isolating ourselves
Yeah,
from
yeah.
everything, right? And we can't do that. If we're gonna love ourselves, we need to be connected as well to
I
everything.
feel like maybe we do need someone's perspective of us to know how it feels like to be seen as deserving, I guess. Yeah.
Good point. I agree. So one of your songs on this latest album is Rayuan Perempuan Gila. So this song, another interesting name, but also blends your strong lyrics with popular Lenzo rhythm from the 50s and 60s.
Yeah.
Tell us about the process of coming up with this song.
It was actually like, it's a little bit of my little experiment with, I feel like, my boundaries. This is not the genre that I usually write
Right.
about, but I have this like imaginary of like biduan, I don't know the word biduan in English, like the proper word to it, but like this biduan that feels like she's not really deserving of love. She feels like she's dirty. She feels like she's used to like mockery and stuff, but she feels like she wants to be loved. She feels like she wants to be like seducing the person that she loves to love her back. I feel
Okay.
like, yeah, I think.
So in order to get the right vibe and the right mindset, did you listen to it like old songs as reference as well?
I feel like I don't think so. Not a lot. Yeah.
Okay, so you yourself are already an old soul. I feel like you already matured well beyond your years
Well,
as
I'm
well.
23 this year.
Exactly. Okay, so since you're here, I've got a special guest as well coming to join me. She's a friend of mine that likes to bring gifts.
Oh.
So
I love gifts.
Yeah, well, good, because I don't know what she's bringing. I never know what she's bringing. There.
Hi.
There you are.
Oh my God. Hi,
Right on
Sarah.
cue.
Oh, hi, Stray.
Hi, Shafira. Okay, not a present. Sorry, I thought you were bringing
Yes.
gifts. What did you bring?
This is a
As
gift, I think.
always, I always bring
It's
something
not-
for your guests, Paul.
What is
And this time, I bring you a meatball.
Yeah.
Meatball
and
soup.
Ice water.
And ice water. I feel like
Do
I
you
know where this is
recall?
going. Yeah.
Wow. What is
actually-
the story behind this?
In my high school years, like we only have like 15 to 30 minutes of recess, I
Okay.
guess.
Yeah.
And in the time, I feel like if we want to makan cepat,
Yeah.
makanan yang panas, jadi kita
Yeah.
harus kasih es batu gitu.
Oh wait, so the water's not to drink, bukan?
No. We take the ice cubes and put it in the bowl. Yeah, it's a little.
Just the ice cube.
Yeah, just the ice cube.
Okay, so you have ice
without
baso. I've never heard of this.
Yeah.
It's a life hack.
It's a life
Life
hack.
hack. If
You
you're
put
in a
the ice
hurry, yeah.
Okay, so if it's too hot, you just put some ice cubes in there just to bring the
Yeah.
temperature down, and
Yeah.
then you drink.
Not only the temperature, maybe dilute the taste as well, but it gets
okay.
you fast.
Okay.
Do you have any other life hacks, Nadine, that probably can we use as our, our tools to
I'm not
facing this very
sure.
hard life?
Very hard life. Oh, I feel like this is like a random tricks.
It's
but
okay.
feel
I love
like
random things.
I prefer to use like layers of clothes because I get cold easily,
Okay.
and it's easier to take it off rather than
True.
searching for clothes to
True.
wear when you are cold.
It's
Yeah.
better to be overdressed than underdressed. That's
Yeah,
actually a good hack, because I used to live
exactly.
in Canada. That was our trick. Just wear lots of layers. You can always take them off, but if you wear too little, you don't know what
you
you're
don't have
going to do.
anything left.
Exactly.
All right. Okay, thank you so
Nice
much
life
for the
hack.
life hacks,
Love it.
Nadine.
Nadine, you experienced success at a young age.
Yeah.
You were in your teens when you first were brought onto the scene. How did that affect how you discovered yourself? Because not everybody goes through that same experience.
Especially as a teenager.
Exactly. I mean, a lot of teenagers are just busy being, little kids and doing silly
having
things,
fun.
but you were already in the spotlight.
Yeah.
So how did that change your evolution or the way your growth?
Yeah, actually, if I were to be asked, like, what's the one thing that I want to change throughout my career, I feel like being discovered and like debuting at a very young age, I feel like I will need to skip that because I feel like discovering yourself is hard enough, but discovering yourself while being watched is scary.
Yeah, I can
It's
imagine.
Scary, yeah.
Are you a shy person?
I'm an introvert. Like I'm not like necessarily shy, but I would like to discover myself alone. I feel like yeah.
How do you cope with that? I mean, as an introvert, but you are, you are always as a center
Yeah,
of attention.
exactly,
How do you deal with that?
I don't deal with those kind of things good. I feel like I still struggle. At the end of the day, I feel like I need to wind myself down being alone. Like being alone at the end of the weekend is my very awaited time, I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
To
That's-
detach all of
You
it.
do
Yeah,
need to. You
unwind
need to
now.
unwind. Yeah. We got to take a short break here, guys, but we'll be back with more and discuss more with Nadine when we return here on Buddy Talk. Stay tuned. Hey buddies, welcome back. We're still here with Nadine Amiza. Nadine, we're going to play a little game. Actually, it's not much of a game, but we want you to tell us the story behind some of your songs. So we're going to do this we're going to select a couple of songs. You're going to sing a little part of it, and then you're going to tell us either some interesting things that we don't know about it or the story behind it. Ready?
Okay, wait.
Okay.
I have to go out first
Oh, okay.
to get the things.
Oh, what is it? What are you getting?
Another gift.
Your salsa shoes. I don't know what she's going to get. More surprises.
Oh,
Okay.
another gift.
No, it's for next one.
Oh,
Okay, it's for the next one. Not for
preparing
Oh,
myself.
you're preparing for
Okay,
now.
got
Okay,
it.
Because
sounds
I
good.
don't want to miss out any
Okay.
things.
Okay,
So the first song
Yeah.
is Tawa.
Tawa.
Yes.
Aku langit dan hujannya, angin ribut dan petirnya, besar kuat mematikan, lemah lembut menghidupkan. Yeah, that was
Nice.
Tawa.
Ooh, I love it.
It's amazing. Right?
Yeah, very natural, very organic.
The words and everything. So, what's the story behind Tawa?
Jadi sebenarnya Tawa ini menceritakan tentang aku dan kegundahan aku terhadap siapa diri aku sebenarnya.
Oke.
Karena kadang satu hari aku merasa aku adalah orang yang baik, satu hari aku merasa aku adalah orang terburuk di dunia. Tapi ternyata manusiawi untuk bisa menjadi semuanya sekaligus. Makanya aku bilang aku adalah langit tapi aku juga sekalian petirnya. Aku besar tapi aku juga kecil, aku kadang menghidupkan, kadang aku mematikan.
Wow.
Banyak layersnya ya. Like this, it's multi-layered when you think
Benar.
about the lyrics.
Yeah, basically we're human. We're like that.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
One day we're feeling so kind,
Yeah.
and
One day we
probably
can say that.
the next day we're doing bad things.
Yeah.
Well, and we have to accept all
course.
sides of it.
Yes, of
Good or
course.
bad, pretty or ugly. What is the one thing that never fails to make you laugh?
Apa ya?
Could be a show, it could be something, a person.
I feel like this is really mean. This is really mean, but like dumb videos of cats. Like,
Oh,
I'm so sorry, but they are really, really, really funny.
okay.
Yeah.
We've got, then you can hang out with Stray.
It's not
Or you
dumb,
can bring him home because he'll make you laugh. He makes us
feel
laugh
like,
all the
yeah,
time. Okay, Shafira, you can pick a
Okay,
next song.
next song is di akhir perang.
Di akhir perang.
Di akhir perang.
Perlahan akan ku ajarkan cara menanam menuai baik buruk di dunia. Ku warnai tanganmu yang mati sampai kau lihat dunia tak lagi menyakiti. Ya,
Wow.
Ooh.
Wow,
Chills.
wow.
Hold in
wow.
here.
Oke. Apa sih makna atau cerita di balik lagu ini?
Jadi sebenarnya ini layernya lebih panjang lagi karena di album Untuk Dunia Cinta dan Kotornya itu sebenarnya dibagi menjadi 3 fase dan ini tuh lagu yang ada di fase kedua,
Oke.
tapi lagu kebeberapanya gitu. Jadi dia menceritakan tentang bagaimana aku menemukan this one person yang bisa mencintai aku, tapi dia juga sebenarnya masih banyak belum tahu tentang dunia dan aku yang pada akhirnya menjadi guru untuk dia. Aku mengajarkan bagaimana cara menanam menuai baik buruk di dunia.
Oke.
Aku yang mengajarkan tangan dia yang sudah mati bagaimana cara to hold things that you love dearly, dan rasanya menemukan satu sama lain itu seperti rasanya di akhir perang karena hidup kita sebelumnya itu banyak sekali perjalanan tidak menyenangkan.
Wow. Oke, ini menarik deh Nadine. Aku penasaran. Tadi kamu cerita di albumnya ada 3 fase dan sebagainya. So basically this album is very philosophical.
Ya, I
Gitu.
feel like
Terus kayak konseptual dan sebagainya.
conceptual ya.
Gimana awalnya? Apakah kamu menentukan konsepnya dulu, baru kamu menuliskan lagunya, atau sebenarnya lagu-lagu ini udah di kamu banking, akhirnya baru kamu breakdown bahwa oke
Disusun.
ini phase 1, phase 2, kayak gitu.
Salah satu cara penulisan aku adalah aku tuh suka banget menentukan judul albumnya dulu.
Oh.
Atau
Okay.
minimal konsep the album, of
So
the
it's
album.
like the theme, the
Ya,
idea.
the theme, ya. Karena menurut aku it makes me write better. Jadi tahu hulu ke hilirnya apa yang diceritakan gitu.
Ah, oke. Wow.
It makes sense, doesn't it?
Karena
Like if
bikin
you write a
rangkai
story,
dulu.
iya,
Exactly.
right?
Iya.
Pasti bikin, oke ini
Plot.
cerita
Ngerangka
tentang apa
pikirannya
dulu.
dulu, ya.
Exactly. I love it.
Keren, keren.
Okay. Alright, next one. Nadine Amiza.
Nadine Amiza ya. Sepertinya ku ingin terus mencoba. Kemarin malam akhirnya tangisnya reda. Dan hari ini selesai berlari. Aku yang ini akan kembali.
Wow.
Lagu
ini 8 menit panjangnya.
Ya.
8 menit. Lagu
Epic.
ini ya tentang Nadine pasti.
Iya.
Tapi dengan durasi 8 menit, apa yang mau kamu ceritakan di lagu ini?
Baik lagi karena tadi ada konsepnya. Jadi di awal cerita itu di lagu pertama, the first song, judulnya tuh Jangan Ditelan, menceritakan tentang Nadine yang merasa bahwa dia tuh seperti kue etalase, tau kan?
Okay.
Yang kayak cantik aja dilihat, tapi kalau misalnya kamu comot dimakan itu nggak akan bisa. Sesuatu yang hard to swallow, like a hard pill to swallow. Tapi di akhir cerita ada Nadine Amiza itu rasanya seperti merangkul Nadine dan bilang bahwa bahkan dengan segala kotornya kamu tuh pantas dicinta gitu. Jadi Nadine Amiza itu adalah aku menceritakan bahwa aku pantas dicinta dan gimana pun juga aku yang paling tahu aku gitu.
Ini pengalaman pribadi.
Iya.
There you go.
Oke.
Okay.
Oke.
It's like that show, Is It Cake?
Is it gay?
Suddenly, no, it's not a cake.
Betul.
Oke, menarik ya. Seru banget nih kayak kita dengerin ceritanya Nadine dalam satu album.
That's right.
Very nice.
Hey,
Oke.
time for our next
Lagi.
segment.
Oke,
What's our next
ini
segment?
namanya Netizen Talk.
I love
Ah,
it.
Netizen.
So, before you arrived, we already told a bunch of our followers and viewers that you were coming by. So, a few of them asked some questions. So, we want you to answer them with us. Let's have a look at some of them right now. Okay. All right, this is from, you can read it.
Hi Nadine Amiza, when did you fall in love with music? From YVNSCRT.
YVN
Sport.
Yeah,
Advent.
Sport, I think. Yeah.
Oo.
I'm not quite sure when I fell in love. Just like falling in love, I don't think you will know when
You don't know
fall
the
in love.
exact point.
The
Yeah,
exact
that's
moment.
true.
But I feel like it has always been within me. I love the feeling of like being surrounded with music, with beautiful music. I feel like it's here. When I hear music, I don't only listen it here. I feel like it's here. It's throughout my whole body. Yeah, I'm not really sure when, but I feel like it has always been within me.
Was it something that a feeling that you had, but you didn't realize what it was until you started creating music?
Yeah, I feel like only when I'm here in this industry, I feel like I've always liked music, but I don't know that I loved it. And I know that like doing this, I love it.
You know that you're doing the right thing,
Yeah.
you're on the right path.
Like me and salsa.
Exactly. When did you fall in love with salsa?
Okay. I just know it.
When you met me.
Born for it.
Okay, let's
What's
move
next?
on.
What's next?
Oh,
Okay.
Because we have what, a body challenge? Not a body challenge?
Yes. Okay.
Right. Also,
She's so good. Well, making a music,
Okay.
lyrics.
We're gonna test how good is she.
Exactly.
Oh, no.
By using this one.
Yay! I was wondering what you were holding.
This is for you.
okay, thank you
Nadine.
very much.
So,
What's the box?
our challenge is you can open the box.
Okay, got it.
There's some-
Okay.
Oh no.
Yes.
What is
Okay.
it? Oh, okay.
Okay. So,
So we've got some random things.
It is very random. Like it's a kitchen random thing.
Fusion random things.
Okay.
Chopsticks.
Chopsticks, like a
So,
bowl, and
What do you call this thing? I mean,
Saringan.
saringan. Okay.
Filter.
Yeah, saringan. I call it a
Filter.
sieve. It's
Oh,
a weird.
sieve,
It's
yeah.
weird in
Sieve, of
English.
course.
Yeah.
yeah.
So you can either use English, Bahasa Indonesia, whatever you
no,
want.
I don't think I will
Create
be
a
using
song
English.
from these few random objects.
Oh my God, this is hard.
All right. We'll give you a little bit of time.
Okay.
Put something together.
We believe
You
you.
can just.
Aku nggak akan pakai katanya, tapi mungkin aku akan masukin ke dalam
Okay.
sebuah kata gitu ya.
Yes.
Okay. Like a song. Okay.
Or lyrics?
Lyric. Menyaring apa yang baik dan buruk, menjadikannya sebuah resep di mangkukmu, menyumpitnya dan menjadikannya makanan yang baik untuk hati dan tubuhmu. Oh my god, that is hard.
Nailed it. Menyaring.
Menyumpit,
Very
menyaring.
beautiful.
Yeah, yeah.
I will say
Menyumpit.
mencapit.
Mencapit, yeah. Why don't I use that?
Mencapit is like a crab. That's how I'm picturing. Mencapit.
Menyumpit.
Menyumpit. I never even thought of people using it as menyaring.
Menyaring.
Saringan. That's what we call it.
Right?
That's amazing. You are an amazing lyricist.
Thank
Good for
you
you.
so much.
Hey.
Nadine Amiza, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, and if you want to know about her, there's an 8-minute song about her, guys. So
Yeah.
go check it out. So again, congratulations on the new album. We have time for another song from you. It's called Bunga Tidur. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Bunga Tidur ada di fase pertama, di fase di mana Nadine masih belum merasa pantas dicintai, dan di Bunga Tidur itu menceritakan tentang dia yang bilang bahwa semua dunia kalau dipegang di tangan Nadine akan hancur. Jadi ya.
Wow.
That's
Do you
deep.
know what's the other words of bunga tidur in bahasa Indonesia?
No, I don't.
It's called mimpi.
It's what mimpi?
Right, bunga
Mimpi.
tidur. Bunga tidur is the dream.
Oh, it
Another
is, you're
words in
right.
bahasa Indonesia
Oh
is
my
mimpi.
god, I
See,
forgot about it.
much better,
Bunga tidur
much better
Bunga
language.
tidur is pretty words, right?
It is.
Pretty words.
But that actually just means dreams.
So much.
She's amazing.
Wow.
Thank you so much.
She's amazing.
Once again, Nadine, thank you so much for coming by. You're welcome
Thank you
anytime.
so much.
Feel free to bring that little fuzzy red, brown, orange thing home with you.
I will.
And we'd like to thank Nadine for coming by as well. Before we check out her final performance, make sure you guys tune in each and every Saturday and Sunday night at 7 p.m. only on See Today for more fun episodes of Buddy Talk. I'd like to thank my salsa teacher / language instructor, tutor, Shafira, as well as Stray and the entire Buddy Talk crew. My name is Paul Palelli. We'll see you next time. Without any further ado, once again, this is Nadine Amiza. See you next time.
Bunga tidur, apa kabarmu pagi ini sayang? Kau terbang di antara nyaringnya rambut perpisahan. Siapa yang telah membuatmu penuh malu? Terpatri dalam kau tak baik untuk diusahakan. Jangan pergi dulu, biar waktu berlalu dan semua sakitmu yang